Hello alerts, welcome back to my channel. If you come first time my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and share with your older friends. Social Security is paid out on Wednesday, May 20. Who benefits? Prerna Benefit TV. Millions of Americans are waiting for the next Social Security payment, and another big payout is arriving on Wednesday, May 2026. But not everyone qualify for this payment. That your birthday actually determine when your money arrive each month. In this video, I will explain exactly who gets paid on May 20, who already received benefit earlier, and how the full Social Security payment schedule work step by step. Who gets paid on May 2026? Social Security receipts born between the 11th and 20th of any month are scheduled to receiving their benefit on Wednesday, May 2026. This includes retirement benefit, disability payment, and survivor benefits. If someone receives Social Security based on another person's work history, the Social Security Administration uses the worker birthday connected to the claim instead of the receipt's own birth date. How the Wednesday payment schedule works. The Social Security Administration uses a staggered payment system based on birthday. Beneficiaries born between the 1st and 10th receive payments on the second Wednesday of the month. Those born payment the 11th and 20th are paid on the third Wednesday. Recipients born between the 20th and 31st receiving payments on the fourth Wednesday. This system helps distribute benefits smoothly to millions of Americans every month. Why my schedule started late? In May 2026, the Social Security payment cycle started later than usual because the month began on a Friday. That pushed the second Wednesday deeper into the month, creating one of the latest possible start for the regular payment schedule. Only January and October in 2026 create longer wait for beneficiaries because their second business days fall even later during those months. Average monthly Social Security payments. Benefit amount vary depending on the type of Social Security someone receives. Retired worker currently receiving an average monthly payment of approximately $2,081. Disabled workers receive around $1,634 monthly. Survivor benefit average roughly $1,625 per month. Actually, payments may differ depending on work history, lifetime earning, retirement age, disability qualification, and individual calculation made by the Social Security Administration, who already received benefit earlier. Not every Social Security receipts follow the Wednesday payment schedule. People who started receiving benefits before May 1997 usually receive payment on the third day of each month. Regardless of birthday, since May 3, 2026 fell on a weekend, those beneficiaries received payment earlier on Friday, May 1st. Many long-term receipts therefore already got their monthly Social Security money weeks before May 20 arrived. SSI and Social Security double payments. Some Americans receive both Social Security and Supplemental Security Income, commonly called SSI. Normally, SSI is paid on the first day of the month, while Social Security arrive on the third. However, because May 3 landed on a weekend, receipts received being both benefit receiving both payment together on Friday, May 1st, 2026. This usually payment timing may have confused some beneficiaries checking their account earlier this month. How Social Security send payments. Most Social Security payments are delivered electronically through direct deposit into personal bank account. Receipts can update banking information using the online My Social Security system provided by the SSA. Others receive benefits through the Direct Express debit card program designed especially for federal payments. Electronic delivery help reduce delay, improve security, and provide faster access to monthly retirement or disability income. Why payment date matter? For many retiree and disabled Americans, Social Security is their primary source of monthly income. These payments help cover grocery, rent, utility bill, medication, and healthcare costs. Knowing exactly when benefits arrive help families manage budget and avoid financial stress. Even a small delay can create serious problem for household depending heavily on fixed monthly retirement income and government benefits. If your birthday falls between the 11th and 20th of any month, your Social Security payment is scheduled for Wednesday, May 2026. Other recipients will receive payments later depending on their birth date and benefit type. Understanding the Social Security payment schedule can help you plan your finance more confidently each month. In this video, help you like, subscribe, and share it with someone receiving Social Security benefits.